Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious salmon stuffed crab. It's absolutely delicious. If you're looking for a restaurant quality recipe, this is it. I'm not going to do a lot of talking, so let's jump right into it. All right guys, to begin, I'm going to start by seasoning my lump crabs. I have some mayo that I'm going to add in there. I'm going to add it gradually. If I need more, I'm just gonna add some more. Also, we have some Dijon mustard that we're going to add in. I have some red onion for a nice crunch. Okay, also we have the seasoning. I'm using a little bit of everything: onion powder, garlic powder, my Cajun crushed seasoning with a little bit of Creole seasoning. I'm adding a little bit of that in there, and there's more seasoning in there as well. I'll just leave it down below for you guys. Don't mix it too much because you want that to be nice and lumpy. You don't want to make it too mixed up. Next, I'm going to add about half a lemon juice in there. Seafood, you gotta have that lemon juice in, okay? Once you're done, actually, it looks like I need some more mayo, so I'm just gonna add the whole mayo in there and just mix it just like this. Don't over mix it, okay? Just mix it enough where all the seasoning is nicely mixed through. We're going to move on to the fish. This is a dinner for two, obviously. I'm going to slice the fish right in the middle, just like this. Not all the way through, okay? Just enough where you can stuff that crab right in there. So you can see I'm forming a little pocket, and then I'm going to season the fish. So before you add that crab in there, make sure you season it, okay? I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. No worries. I'm going to sanitize my bottle once I'm done. Flip it over, rub it in, and then go in with your seasoning. Season. I like to go in there as well. Why not? Season it. Flip it over. Oh, sorry about the noise. Season the sides as well. It's gonna be nice and flavorful. And now here comes the stuffing. Quick, slice it some more. Quick and easy. Grab your crab, just stuff it in there, just like this. Okay. I'm really stuffing it in there, or you can cut it even more if you like. I have to cut this a little bit more so we can have space to put all that crab in there. Something like this. Oh yes, nice and stuffy. And then we're going to bake this, okay? Quick, easy recipe, but it tastes absolutely mouth-watering. Okay, I think that should do it right there. Now make sure you oil your baking dish and then place your salmon, beautiful stuffed salmon, right in there, just like this. How beautiful is this? We're going to make a delicious Cajun sauce, so wait for that. Now I'm going to bake it on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah. Perfect. While the salmon is in the oven, let's make a creamy Cajun butter sauce. So first thing first, I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to allow that to melt. Next, I'm going in with about half a cup heavy whipping cream. Pour that in. And I'm going in with a teaspoon of my Cajun crushed seasoning, or you can use any all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to allow that to simmer Once it's nice and reduced, it's pretty much done. Because my Cajun crust seasoning has low sodium, so I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper just to enhance the flavor a little bit. And then give it a stir, and it's pretty much done. As you can see, it's nice and thick, and it's ready to go on our salmon. As you can see, this is the consistency. Perfect. Our salmon is finally done, and it looks so good. Oh yes, take a good look at it. It is absolutely amazing. Tell me if this doesn't look like a restaurant quality type of dish. It looks so amazing. Let's try it, y'all. Gotta squeeze a little bit of lemon, and then you dive in. Oof, oof, oof. Take a look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Dinner for two is ready. Let's take a bite. My goodness. This, I said restaurant quality. Let's take it back. Because this right here, ain't no way you're gonna find this in a restaurant, okay? Way better. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Absolutely recommend this. 1,000 out of 10. This is it right here. This is it. I hope you make this recipe for yourself, actually. Yourself, significant other, your family. And come back, let me know how you like it. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it to 1,000 likes, because YouTube is not pushing out my videos and you need to help me, okay? If you want me to keep coming on here and post some amazing recipes, you have to like this video and also comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.